I want my Lushbox back. Tack tells me to shut my app. Speak Spanish to me undercover. I wanna be an ex-lover of a Lushbox front girl. Now the hip ship sailed away. Now those days are gone. So maybe we'll see you rocking out downtown one day. Now those days are gone. Rocking out downtown. So say you won't go Lushbox.